go. Can you suck on that? Yeah. There you go. It's good stuff, huh? You're being so good. You got a clean diaper? Yeah. You cleaned off your mouth and changed your foot thing? That's Mommy's third diaper. Yeah. I'm doing okay, huh? Yeah. I'm kind of awake right now, huh? What are you thinking about? You getting sleepy? It's nice to have those goggles off, huh? I love you so much. You're so cute, Josiah.